Husqvarna chains are tailored to Husqvarna chainsaws and come in two variants: the Semi-Chisel and the Chisel Cutter. The Chisel Cutter has a sharp, square cutting corner, optimal for cutting trees free from debris, dust or sand. The Semi-Chisel Cutter has a slightly rounded cutting corner, distributing wear and damage along a longer edge. This design makes it suitable for working in muddy, dry, or dusty environments. The sharper the cutting corner, the more efficiently the cutter can cut through wood fibers. No matter which option you choose, you will always get optimal cutting efficiency and productivity from your Husqvarna X CUT chain.